back with another YouTube video. ATO Car Guys, what's up? We are currently loading the Z28 onto a trailer. I have done a deal and the Z28 is leaving and something new is coming. So, follow me on the journey. We got my trailer. We're winching it on. She's going on slowly. The winch is very angry about it, but it'll do it. It's crying. Battery.
Grab the jump box out the truck.
It's inside? In the back? Alright. Kind of crappy battery on the winch. That's not gonna work. So, ooh, motorcycles starting up. All right, jump box. There we go. All right, loading her up.
A few moments later.
And we're driving 5 hours, well, 4.5 hours to South Carolina. And we're gonna pick up another 90s Chevy. So it will be another 90s Chevy, which I'm very happy about. But the high wing, 5-speed Z28 with T-tops is going bye-bye. All right, she's loaded. Time to jump in. Take this big boy on the road. 3000 looks so good. Love that car so much. It's gonna look way better sitting here by itself without the attention getting taken away from such a sexy 90s Camaro. Gonna miss this car. Shit. Now I usually don't do this, but it's road trip, so we hit the Mickey D's. All right, trailer's good, been riding good. My buddy's truck, which I won't need anymore to tow cars. Soon, you'll see why. And the Z28 is loaded and ready. Ready for her new owner, which I'm really sad about, but that's what happens. Car game, you know what I'm saying? You lose, you win, you trade, you're in, you're out. That's how it goes. So, waiting for our boy Stevie to come back. Take a poop break. You have a good poop? We are here in Sumter, South Carolina. We made a long drive, 4.5 hours. Look, we even got equestrian homies over here, other car homies. We are here to trade my Z28 for this right there. You can't see it. You might have seen it pull up, but whatever. But here it goes. The new addition to the Car Guy family. Now we can pull this trailer. OBS dually. Stevie, this looks really like some of your doing. Boom, there she is. Coming out. You hooked up?
Yeah.
You can hit it.
A few moments later.
That's gonna be pretty cool. Let's see what I can do with a dually. Yeah, and the paint's still there.
For what I'm gonna do with it, it's beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. And everybody's gonna be really, really angry that you're drifting the 5-speed Z. But that's
I
awesome.
already see that coming.
Yeah, I love it.
Nice.
I'm very happy about it.
Probably,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be that guy that cuts the access hole to the fuel pump.
Only reason I didn't do it yet is because in case I got a purist who did want to come get it.
Yeah.
And I was like, look, I have the brand new fuel pump, but you know, I'm not gonna cut a hole in there. So
Yeah, no, it's gonna be a race box truck.
yeah. Why not?
At this point, it makes sense.
Nice.
Because race car. I love it.
It's gonna get more dense.
Dude, you got stables and everything. So what are y'all, board horses or using door? Wow, that's cool. That's cool.
You gotta pay the bill.
No, I know, I get it. I
We're
get
still in the
it.
process, all this is clear.
Wow. How much land is this?
7.5 acres.
Okay.
You got
Is it a 250?
F-250.
Oh, yeah. Dang.
This thing,
It's the last time you seen one of these in 250, real.
this also came from Georgia.
Okay. George truck. Where's the tires? Oh, wow. Really? Shut up.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. Yeah. Was it just a 302 in there?
460 big block.
Oh, damn.
If I kept that truck, that was the intention to do the same.
Dang.
Big blocks have a gnarlier chop.
Yeah, they do. I mean, there's no denying that. Damn. I know, somebody letting it off.
Oh, that's all it is.
Hey, so you still got your Drift Z too?
No, that's my wife's car.
Okay. All right.
That went and got painted out in Georgia.
Dude, my friend has this exact car in this exact color.
Yeah, it's my mother-in-law's car. I had to go get that from Tennessee. Brought it here.
Dude. All right. Time to do the deal. I got a truck, people. Damn. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but somebody is letting loose. Dang, letting the yapper go. Yeah. Euro SL though. That's a good one. I tell you, he decided not to do anything with it and want to sell those Euro bumpers. I got a customer that will buy them for the car we got.
I think he's gonna give it to her. And,
We gotta try to restore it.
well, not even that. Just fix it and drive it.
At a certain year, it changed from 320 SL to SL 320s and SL 500s and S500. Before it was numbers first, then letter.
Stay with Japan.
Yeah.
And America.
Yeah. Now the German is like, it's a headache, believe me.
My brother's got a BMW.
I'm addicted to him though. Dude, I tell you what, put it up to a trailer, looks like it belongs there, right?
That's what I'm saying.
It belongs there, man. It's what it's supposed to be doing. Oh, we are definitely gonna have fun with this one. Yeah? Yeah.
A few moments later.
Not squatting or anything. That bitch just flattened out and it's ready to rock. I actually probably gonna wrap, we thought about, I'm gonna wrap this truck silver, I think. Yeah. So I got a bunch of silver cars too, and then my Corvette's blue. Truck, this is silver. My Corvette's gonna be blue with probably some silver accents too. I tell you what, can I go through your yard? Oh yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Man, I appreciate it,
Glad you're
bro.
happy with it, man.
I love it, man. I'm very
He brought it
happy.
to me. He was driving like
He was doing transportation with his family.
Right.
He had his little, like, not even a year-old daughter in the back of the truck, fucking his little kid, his wife.
Yeah, I mean, you can hear it, you know. It's definitely running solid.
Yeah. Although the 100 mile.
Dang, son. That look kind of crazy, right? Dude. Okay, everybody. First drive in the GMC OBS dually. Your boy's first truck should only be, it's only right that it be a 90s GMC weird ass vehicle. But with only 164,000 miles on an old ass truck. What you know about that, boys? And we pulling wide in this bitch. Sorry y'all had to see my weird pulling face, but I had to get this thing straight. Okay, now I don't know where the mirror adjustment is, and so in an OBS it might not even be power, right? I wonder if the cargo lamp works. No, there's no bulb in the cargo lamp. So that's what we're doing with all the cars. All the toys are here. Lexus is here, truck is here. And like I was saying, we're gonna put everything in this trailer that I want. In the garage will be this Hayabusa, the C4. Then you got the dually right here, always in the driveway, ready to pull the trailer. We could pull a trailer with that and go down to Cletus in a couple weeks, but I don't know if we're gonna do that. But we're gonna go somewhere next month on a real trip. So subscribe to the channel, like this video, hit the subscribe, send it to your friends, make them subscribe, tell your mom to subscribe. Okay, and then I'll do some more events and have some more cars.